The 2016 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, leather trim seats, traction control, remote engine start, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, power windows, power brakes, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.